Hello, my creative creatures. Today, we're doing these fruity little resin containers. I purchased these molds on either Temu or Amazon. Like I always say, it's always the same stuff. It's just a little bit different in price and a little bit different in how long you want to wait for it to come. I'm just using some mica powder here. This is the top of the pineapple. I have it kind of flipped inside out so I can get the mica powder in the top of that. And I'm adding glitter to it. Later on, I also used some colorant. So it's just a real basic experiment with these resin molds, just trying to be as creative as possible with them. Enjoy! Of course, if you like what you're seeing here at Hey Maaa, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us more than you can ever know. And if you want to see more of what we're doing here at Hey Maaa, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. You can do that now as well. And if you know someone who would like what we're doing here at Hey Maaa, feel free to share the video as well. Okay, that's enough of the pitching. Enjoy the video. Bye. this is the type of mold that would tear. Because I have pretty strong fingers. Like instrument playing fingers, you know? A musician. And sometimes you have to be gentle with these things. And take your time. That's the other thing, I'm impatient. But I can tell this type of a mold will definitely tear if I do that, so gotta be careful. I think that's good. Whoa, that's really nice. Take a, can you see it? So this is part of the strawberry. I haven't done the bottom of the strawberry yet. Let me see if I can find that mold. I had some green left over, so I set this already. So basically this is gonna go like that. And it'll have a nice flat bottom. So I think I'll mix up some resin right now before I go to sleep. And I can let it sit while I sleep. Gotta be careful with this kind of silicone, it's relatively thin. I would personally just manhandle it, but I know that this is the kind that tears. So I feel like if you stress it too much here. There we go. There we go. So, okay. So the bottom, where I put the different kind, it did bleed through a little bit, but I don't know how intentional it looks. It doesn't look as intentional as I wanted it to. I should have maybe just stuck with that. It's alright. It's okay. And then here's the top for it. Yeah. Now that, my friends, is a work of art. So I did make two of these. This is the strawberry.